So here's the other side of this laptop, and I thought I would take this apart to see what it looks like in there, and if we can determine why it was so vulnerable, because this laptop isn't even much more than a year old. Go. Open the hinge, and yeah, it's got this honeycomb in here, which is probably supposed to keep it structurally supported laterally. And I see there's already a piece of plastic that is broken off from somewhere. I'm not sure where, but I see this has got a crack in it right here and right here. So we're going to take care of this side also while we're at it. So